It doesn't matter how many years you've been cooking or how many restaurants you've operated, because our food is based around this ethos, this idea. Everything starts with the products that walk in the back door. From the tools and equipment, the pots and pans, to the recipes, to the ingredients. Those little details, they make a big difference. If you have gratitude and respect and appreciation for what you have in front of you, intentionally and carefully choosing in what you want to handle every day, if you take care of it, it will take care of you. That's how I discovered Made In. I grew up in the Appalachian Mountains with the storybook grandmother that taught me the traditions that were passed down from multiple generations in our family. To me, that's priceless. We have a responsibility to carry on the traditions of the people before us. When you have a backstory and a true understanding of what it took to get this heirloom in front of you, I approach it with a lot more care. Watching a pan made from start to finish, where people had been working for 20, 30, 40 years, doing the same thing over and over, mastering their craft. Money can't buy that, and we have to keep those things alive. This desire and passion to make something that will last a very, very long time. Watching a pan made from start to finish gave me a completely new appreciation. Multiple generations down the road will be able to nourish their families with that pan. Maybe even great grandkids that I'll never meet will be reminded of me every time they put that pan on the stove. Those are the kinds of things in life that keep us connected to what's important, keep us connected to our roots. I'm Sean Brock, and I proudly use Made In.